Lahat ng mga babae sa paligid ko, tanging ikaw lamang hinasa isip ko. Yung tipong Maria Clara na pagkahiwaga, dalagang Pilipina kaya mga galawan. At di ko talaga alam kung paano ko ba tong maiiwasan, pero malaban na because you're the only one who makes me smile. Oh baby, oh yeah, kaya Miss Beautiful, let's make our day so special. Kahit makapunta lang tayo sa isang 5-star restaurant where eat some steak and say the thoughts. Oh yeah girl, let's party through the night straight away. And lastly, don't forget the finest red wine of your choice, baby. Di lang yun, aking mahal, walang mahigit sa ating pagmamahalan. Di ba sa yakap at halik mo, ayan talaga namimiss ko. Sinasa ko na ang lahat, grabe napakasarap kapag ikaw laging kitang kinakasama sa hirapan o ginhawa. Ikaw talaga, yeah.
And I know you want me, never do you know. And all of the love from my past still show. And I know you want me back. And I know you want it back. Feel that honey. I thought I heard you disappear. And I know you noticed when you said you're scared. But you scared of my love. But you scared of my love. And I know you want me, never do you know. And all of the love from my past still show. And I know you want me back.
Kaya pakiusap na lang, aking mini-mini, wag ka na unuhin yun sa'kin. Tsaka bang swede ko talaga, dahil nakapili na ko yung tipong babaeng makakasalanggo hanggang sa ating pagdahanda. At wala nang iba pa, baby, ikaw lang sa mundong gulong-gulo. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagbago sa harapan mo mismo. Dahil lamang sa iyo ako kontento na ako, at nakaroon pa ng kulay yung dating kong buhay na sobrang dilim. May iniwanang na paningin.